This is the AI News Flash for July 13th, 8 p.m. UTC. First up, MIT SAIL and the Toyota Research Institute have unveiled SceneSmith, a new system that generates training data for robots. 3 collaborating vision-language model agents build realistic 3D indoor environments automatically. A designer, a critic, and an orchestrator agent, all powered by GPT 5.2, lay out rooms and object arrangements, then judge their realism and practicality. In testing, it produced over 1,300 scenes, with 6 times more objects per scene than prior methods. Users rated more than 90% of them as realistic, and the agent's judgments of robot failures matched human evaluations 99% of the time. Robots can rehearse tasks in these virtual worlds before facing the real one. Amazon, the U.S. Office of Naval Research, and the National Science Foundation funded the work, presented as a spotlight at the ICML Machine Learning Conference. Next, researchers at South Korea's DGIST have published work on an AI-powered electronic nose that can distinguish tens of thousands of odors. The key is a class of materials called metal organic frameworks, or MOFs. An array of MAF sensors with differing response characteristics mimics how human smell identifies odors through combinations of many receptors. Machine learning and deep learning analyze each sensor's response, letting the system classify a vast range of scents. The team says MOFs offer a virtually unlimited library of materials, much like olfactory receptors. Applications range from disease diagnosis and air quality monitoring to smart agriculture and chemical sensing for self-driving cars and robots. The review appeared in a materials science journal on July 13th. Third, a former employee of ransomware response firm DigitalMint has been sentenced to 70 months in prison for colluding with attackers to exploit the very victims he was hired to help. He fed confidential negotiating strategies and victims' bottom lines to operatives of the Black Hat ransomware group alongside 2 co-conspirators. He even deployed ransomware against targets himself. 5 victims were hit in total, 4 companies and 1 nonprofit. One medical device maker paid a $1.2 million ransom, and the group extracted over $75 million altogether. Authorities seized $10 million of his assets, and his 2 co-conspirators each received 48 months. The case underscores the danger of an insider betrayal by someone meant to protect companies. That's all for this AI News Flash.